Let us remind ourselves the way you can thank someone. Thanks. Murakoze. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Murakoze cyane. Thank you so much. Murakoze cyane. Thank you so much. Thanks a million. Murakoze cyane. Ni nko kuvuga inshuro miliyoni. Ubwo ni uburyo bwo gushimira cyane. Thanks a million. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Urakoze kubw'ubufasha bwawe. Thanks for helping me. Urakoze kumfasha. I really appreciate it. Ndabyishimiye cyangwa ndabibashimiye cyane n'ukuri. I really appreciate it. Ndabyishimiye rwose. I'm really grateful. Rwose ndagushimiye. I'm really grateful. That's so kind of you. Nukurugiriye neza cyane. That's so kind of you. Nukurugiriye neza cyane. I can't thank you enough. Sinabasha kugushimira bihagije. I can't thank you enough. Sinabasha kugushimira bihagije. I owe you one. Umuntu ubwira ngo I can't thank you enough biba bisobanuye ngo umushimiye ibintu by'ingenzi cyane yagukoreye. Iyo umuntu ubwiye ngo I can't thank you enough umushimiye ibintu by'ingenzi cyane yagukoreye. Number 10. I owe you one. I owe you one. Bisobanuye. This means that you need a favor for the other person in the future. Biba bisobanuye ko umuntu ukugiriye neza nawe uzamwitura iyo neza akugiriye. I owe you one. Turebe noneho